Loan management system. It is developed in JSP and MySQL. So for this project, you need to have MySQL server and NetBeans ID. We are using NetBeans for configure and run the application. So this is the Java project, basically J2EE. So once you purchase this project, you will get this file. This is DB script for creating the database, tables and records. And this is the source code, project report, installation guide, and synopsis. Okay, so first we will configure our database. So for database, we need to install MySQL Server and Workbench. So I'm already installed MySQL Server and Workbench. Now we will start Workbench to connect the MySQL database and execute our database script. So you just type your password. Once you connect that MySQL server, just open the database script file. Just copy this path and paste here, select, open. Once open, just select all the queries and run the script. It will create all tables with sample records. Once the execution is complete, just refresh. You will get the loan database. Once the database part is completed, so we'll configure our source file project. So for project, you need to just copy the path of that your project folder and go to your NetBeans ID. Start NetBeans. In NetBeans, you have to just configure or change the connection parameter. Just click on File, Open Project, then paste the folder, path, select source code folder and open. Just close all the folders. Now in loan project, there is a web pages. This all the JSP file will be there, and one is source package. Here you will get that database connector. There is one function called connection, get connection. Now here you have to change that database name. So it is the same one we have created, so there is no need of change. The root is our MySQL user ID. It is the default one. And password, I keep delta is my password. So if it is defined in your system, you have to mention it. Once it is done, just save all the changes. And once it is saved, just run the project. And if you want to change anything like your name or anything, just like develop your name or anything, like develop by your name. So you can just go edit and replace, or you can go edit, replace in projects. So just your name to say my name Aditya and continue. To replace 24 matches. So it will, or location it will change all pages. So once it is done, just run this project. So there is a two set of user. One is admin, one is user, and another one is customer. So customer can log in with his ID, and he can check the loan amount, and he can apply for loan. He can calculate his own EMI, how much EMI will come based on the interest rate. And admin user can create new type of loan, then approve the loan, reject the loan. So first time it may take some time. This is the home page of the application. Here new customer can register himself. He can log in. So existing customer can log in or new customer can register. So I'll register first. Like name. Say my name is Sunil Sharma. Mobile number I have to type. The email ID. Password, I have to choose my password. And PAN number. PAN number. Address. Say Mumbai. Other number. New customer is please login. Now, whenever new customer is added in the system, customer need to log in with his email ID and his password. Okay. So once customer is login, so you have to type his email ID and password. So whatever the customer is added, it will save in customer master table. The Sunil Sharma we have created. This is his email ID we have to use for login, and this is your password. This password I have given, and customer is registered on today's date, 6th April. So I have to use the password, email ID and password to log in. Now, once customer log in, customer can apply for loan, or customer can see the EMI calculator, how much his EMI will come. So customer need to first try how much amount loan is. Say he wants 75,000 loan, and duration say 24 months, and rate is say 9%. So what will be the EMI? What is the principal interest? That calculator automatically comes. Like the total amount he is applied for 70,000. How much interest he have to pay? 7,233 total amount. And this is the breakup each month. And last is 0. Now, if customer want to apply for loan, so you can apply. His new customer, so he doesn't have any loan, so he want to apply for loan. So loan amount. So I will apply for say 75,000, 10 year 24 months. So what type of loan? Say I want to apply for personal loan. What is my monthly income? Say 50,000. Submit. So now I have one loan I have applied, but it is a pending because that bank person will approve this loan or reject this loan. Now once customer log out, and he can come back again and check what is the status of my loan. Now say bank staff is logging now to check whether the new loan is applied. For bank master, bank employee, you have to use the user master table for login. So there is admin user is just 13301 and password is 1. Now if he go, he can check loan approval. So whatever the new loan is coming, like Sunil Sharma is applied, today is that he is applied. So he can approve or reject. He can see the details like application number, name, his email ID, mobile number, customer loan amount, monthly income, everything. So he have two options, approve or reject. Now say he approve it. Approve. Once he approve, this data is go like this grade, approved grade. Approved. And this is a pending. Now admin user can create new loan also. Like this is a loan already created. So you want to change the interest rate, or you want to add a new loan. So you want to add new loan type. Say loan type ID, loan type name, say entire loan. Top up fixed interest rate, say 12%. Working is 15. Limit by 500. So new top up is created. Then this is the login history. So whoever customer is login in the system, it will record what time he logged in, what he done in the system. Then loan register. Whatever loan is approved, that will come in this category. Then receive EMI. So I want to receive EMI for this person. So click on receive EMI. So his EMI will automatically EMI amount. So here you can type the amount. Then EMI calculator the same thing. Suppose customer call and ask what will be my EMI if I apply for a say 55 lakh amount, duration say 12 months, and interest rate at 12%. So you calculate and show what will be the per month EMI. 44,000 will be EMI. Then say I want to search a customer. So all customer will be available here. Now that bank person also add a new customer also from this screen also. Customer can register or bank user also added customer from. You can view or edit the customer details also, like address you want to edit. So you can edit all the details from this screen. Now in the report, whatever that amount is received for particular customer, it will display here in the date. So this is the project. It is used can any bank employee or loan company, NBFC. So manage the customer and loan. Customer can apply online for loan. Customer can view the EMI details, and bank employee can add, edit customer details, and approve, reject the loan. Okay. So once you buy this project, you will get all the files, required files, like installation guide, project report, source code, and data script. So by using these files, you can configure and run the application by using NetBeans MySQL server.